Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make your own printable junk journal pocket folios using this printable template which is available in my online store. You can find links in the description below. This folio template set includes a cover with a fold-over section together with lots of different pockets so you can create an unlimited number of folios by simply rearranging the way you attach the pockets. I'll also be showing you how you can make the folio in different sizes using the same template. These folios can be used in your junk journals to hold small clip art and paper ephemera. The template comes in two formats. The PDF format is easy to print and can be used with your own papers. Or you can use the PNG format in a photo editing program which gives you more creative options for designing using digital papers. Included also are two styles, one with a border for a vintage style finish and one with no border for a clean edge finish. To print using your own paper, open one of the PDF template files. Make sure the page scaling option is set to none so that the template prints at the correct size. Insert a sheet of decorative paper into your printer and then print. The PNG format files gives you more options for designing. In this demonstration I'm using the Affinity Photo program. However, you can use any type of photo editing program to achieve the same results. To get started designing using the PNG format, open the folio cover template in your photo editing program. Now add a digital paper and move it to a layer underneath the template layer. Save the file in JPEG format for printing at a later time. Next, open one of the pocket templates. The great thing about using the PNG templates is that you can add different papers to make pockets in different colours and designs. Just make sure to place the papers on a layer underneath the template and then position them wherever you want to. Once you've completed your design, be sure to save the file. Once the designing is completed, print each of the pages onto a sheet of cardstock. Make sure to print a full-page design on the back of the folio cover. To make the folio, first make a crease on the fold-over flap on the folio cover. Then cut out all the pieces. To make the folder, press the fold-over flap with a bone folder to make a sharp crease. Then fold the other end over and align up against the fold and press with a bone folder. There are lots of different pockets that you can use to make different folio layouts. These are just a few examples. You can attach the pockets to the inside or outside of the folio cover, or both sides. To attach the pockets, apply some glue down both sides and the bottom edge of each pocket with a tape runner or a glue stick and press onto the cover. As well as full-size folios, you can also easily make them in smaller sizes. The easiest way to resize the folio pages is to open your design files in a photo editing program. Then open the Print dialog box. On the main menu, select File, Print. In the dialog box, there will be an option to resize or scale the file. In Affinity Photo, there is an option to scale the print size, so you can select a percentage to reduce the size. An alternate method is to manually resize the document by pulling the handles of the layer. This works best with a flattened JPEG format file. You can then resize the layer to whatever size you like. For a more accurate size, use the ruler guides. Simply pull a guide from the left side ruler and position where required. When using this method, make sure to print at 100% or full size. The original size is 8 inches by 4 1/4 inches, so I've printed off several smaller sets, one at 90%, which gives a folio size of about 7 1/4 inches by 3 3/4 inches, and one at 80%, which gives a folio size of about 6 1/2 inches by 3 1/2 inches. Using this template set, you have lots of different options for creating different types of pocket folios. I've used the same set of digital papers to produce this set of coordinated folios, but you could use any type of digital paper to make your own set. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also visit my website where you'll find free tutorials and printables for creative journaling.